Hi. By now, you've taken the syllabus quiz, so that means you've seen week one's activity. So this week, even though you see the title Week at a Glance, but this video will be posted there. Each of my weeks, you should have multiple sections in here. I should have a section on resources, which in some cases are going to be PowerPoint slides. In this case, I've got a copy of the Chapter 1 lecture. There's a link to Quizlet for those of you who need help in understanding the terms of a chapter. This will help you get more familiar with that. Now, what I'll also be posting is the answers to the odd-numbered questions. Of course, if I'm posting the odd-numbered question solutions, I probably am not going to assign them, but they will give you examples of what the assignment for the even numbered questions can be, because there are sometimes relationships. So if I assign question 2, you can probably look at questions 1 and 3 and see if there's a similarity to get an understanding as to what I am looking for in the final solution. So those are consistently, you'll see those resources every week. Now, as far as assignments, this first week, first thing I want you to do is instructions. Introductions, I should say, one is, I don't care if it's a video, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, whatever means that you feel comfortable with. Basically, I'm looking to get to know you a little bit better. One, I want to make sure there's a picture of yourself somewhere in the document, so that at least, who knows, I may have you in a seated class or see you on campus or run into the hall or something that may help me. But the 5 questions I'm looking for is, what are the qualities? What are you looking? What makes a good teacher in your eyes? That way I can take some of those and see if I can apply some of those to this class. But really is, what are you passionate about? What do you want to do? Or, I shouldn't say or, but another thing is, being 1st January, you've got to set out your New Year's resolutions. What are your big question you're looking to have an answer for this year? What are your strengths? Maybe, and how can I utilize some of those strengths in this class? And from a standpoint of what you want to get out of this class, what does success look like? What does success look like to you? When will you feel this is a successful class when this is all said and done? And then I'm going to proceed into the Chapter 1 material. So I take a look at the lecture, if I were you. You're going to do exercises 2, 4, 6, and 10. And you're going to do problem 24. So remember, the problems are worth more for your grade than the exercises. Exercises just basic concepts. Problems are actually trying to apply that concepts to solve a particular problem. And then our weekly reflection journal. Basically, how is this is what I'm using for attendance. If this is not turned in when I take attendance on Thursday, you'll be marked absent. I don't care if you turn in all the assignments, but you forget this one, you're marked absent. So just keep in mind. And then your first chapter exam. Now, as far as due dates, I set a due date of Mondays at midnight for all assignments, but I give you a 2-day leeway, or an extension, every single week. So the drop dead, no more assignments turned in for a particular assignment or exam is by Wednesday at midnight. So keep that in mind. Assignments are technically due Monday, but you're drop dead. Last time you can turn anything in for that week is midnight on Wednesday. I'm hoping you don't waste too long on your filling out your syllabus quiz, and because there's still a little bit of work to do. If you have any questions, give me a call, give me a text. Remember, you sign up for Remind. That's 2% of your grade. And talk to you later. Bye-bye.